Hello everyone, welcome to Markeflex GoLd Research and Trading Institute.
We are a premier training institute in technical analysis based out in Bengaluru. We predicted last week saying that Bitcoin is going to make newer highs and it's going to touch 45,000 as we predicted by the end of the week. Bitcoin is trading currently at 42,600. It hit a high of 43,200 and we had a trade from this entry to the end, and seeing in the video, we mentioned clearly that we are in a buy. Irrespective of though the trend was not set, we were in a buy.
Looking on to this kind of trading analysis which we do in our institute shows the competency of the education for trading.
If you want to be competent in trading,
please get in touch with us.
We would be happy to help you.
Thank you.